Can you crack my neck?
What?
Can you crack it?
What?
My neck.
Yeah.
What? Move it.
Make sure Mickey understands the truth.
Ah!
There you go.
What the fuck?
Don't know yet. This day keeps pumping. You? Wife won't be out there.
You're still alive.
It is. I'll entertain this one.
What the fuck was that? That's not right. I'm doing that anymore. Done. Get a fucking stop.